Stock trading. One stock jump more than double within 1 hour. I believe we can stay profit from this stock. After watching this video until the end, you're gonna know how to use day trading momentum stocks and put options to profit from the stock market. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. My portfolio is up more than 135% over the past year. That's because I use stock investing, call options, put options, advanced options, and day trading momentum stocks. It's very, very important. You need to be able to make use of all the scenario in the stock because every stock they go up, then they come down, right? So you need to know how to profit from going up and also how to profit from going down. That's how I'm able to achieve more than 135% very, very simply within the past year. The stock that we're gonna talk about is CMBN, Cambian Networks Corporations. It's a day trade watch list 295. Basically, this stock was only 2.95. So I saw the stock pre-market, then I sent out the alert to my patrons, and basically, if the stock breaks out above 4, it's most likely to go up. So that's why I have a breakout number. And it's really important to know the breakout number because once it breaks out, the movement that is so tremendous. So it's most likely going to go up. 2.95 when I sent out an alert. Then after that, it hit 6.7. More than double within 1 hour. 127.02%. Day trade watch this. Why do I say watch this? Because I don't trade momentum stocks anymore. I used to. Now I'm focusing on call options, put options, and advanced options because my portfolio is full of them. I have great companies and my portfolio is full of options, right? So plus day trading momentum stock can be quite stressful because you need to check pre-market, okay? Pre-market, which stocks are most likely going to go up. Then choose maybe one or maximum 3, okay? When I teach in my course, I usually get about only one. That one tends out to be always the one that goes up, okay? Usually the ones that goes up. That's usually the case. So I don't even have to choose 3 anymore. When I started, I have about 3. But what happened was that all of the 3, one tend to be the outperformer, right? The best. So why do I choose just one? Just stick with it. Then that's gonna reduce my stress by 2/3, right? 2/3, right? Because 3 stock down to one stock, stress gonna goes down. So that's what I did. But still, if you enter, right, the way strategy was is when the stock goes up, when the market opens, if it goes up like this, you need to enter really quick. Then after that, if it hit at the top, like 6.7, then you need to get up because you will see sign that stock going down. If we look at a candlestick, it's gonna become red. We could even look at the Yahoo Finance app. Doesn't matter if it goes down a little bit, down line chart. Hey, get up quickly. That's very important. So there is a stress involved for the first 30 to an hour minute. So I prefer option trading. Why? Because once I get an option, I can get an option anytime I want. It doesn't have to be opening the market. It doesn't have to be at the close of the market. There's no pre-market check on nothing like that. Because I've been traveling full time, so I don't want to stress myself with, hey, I need to stick with the time, right? For call option, put option, advanced option, hey, I can enter anytime I want. Then I place a limit order to set it once it hits my price target. So it's much less stressful. So that's why I prefer call option, put option, advanced option. But one good thing about this is that every day, almost every day, you could have a play, play that you can profit from. The penny stock, yes. So basically, if you start with this price 2.95, you only need to have $300, right? $300 to buy 100 shares. 100 shares, then you can just get it out 6.7, more than double, right? More than the capital. So it could be easier to grow the capital, but you can also do it with the call option, right? With call options and put options. If you know this stock, hey, you could just go to option, right? It's buy call option. So let's say now $3, you can buy this call option. It's only $45. Instead, one call option represents about 100 shares. So you are like literally buying this call options that represents 100 shares. So only $45. Your gain could be tremendous. You could do that, but most of the penny stock don't have the options. Okay, don't have the options. So there is positive to trading penny stock, day trading movement stocks. Okay, day trading movement stock could be $50 stock, could be $70 stock. So mostly it's around $10. Could be lower than that. Not so many over $50 stock. So usually it's lower than $50. So this is a day trading movement stock. Penny stock have a movement quite a lot. So and most of the penny stock don't have the options. So that's why some people still prefer trading penny stocks because with the less capital, they want to make use of it. But use paper trading account, okay? Because most people lose money, especially if they don't take a course. Day trading movement stock course I have, if you haven't taken it yet, use paper trading. You can watch my YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel, trade paper trade. Okay, this stock still could go up. Look at this. Year to date is 283.23% up, but the past 5 days is 360.43. This is the reason why I don't want you to hold penny stock, because year to date, okay, if you bought it here, February 7, $1.5, so hey, you could be suffering psychological damage, emotional damage, because the stock price goes down like $1.5 to 30 cents. 30 cents. Yeah, 30 cents. You lost so much money. So most people cannot handle it. Even if you want to hold it, most penny stock never goes back up just like this. No. Most likely you're gonna lose. It's gonna become zero. Okay? So it's a losing strategy. I don't want to hold penny stock. You know what? If it doesn't move, I would rather get out, use the capital to trade call options, put options, advanced options. I can make it back easily, much easily. So that's another reason why I like to use option. So but day trading movement stock can be quite powerful, because within a few days, 1 to 3 days, the stock could go up like crazy. For this day, hey, I saw the first day it was up. Then the second day I made the use of it. The third day, usually the first day if it's up, the second day could be up. So that's how we could use a breakout, and if it goes up, get in, get out. But the third day is possible, but less likely. The 4th day, 5th day, less likely. Most of the penny stocks do not go up more than 3 days. Okay, so with that knowledge, you can use this one. Okay, after you get out at the top, we could use put options. Just buy put options. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is my strategy. I'm just teaching you my strategy. Okay, I could just buy put option. One is at the top, like $7, right? $7. I could just buy. I believe this stock could go back down to $2. Now the stock price is $3, so that's why it costs 40 cents. If it was at $7 like this, 6.7, like $6.7 like this $2 put option could cost only about 20 cents, half. So 20 cents means if you have $20, you can buy it, right? Most people are gonna buy 200, right? 200. So that if it goes down, eventually it will go down. Okay, most likely it's gonna go down really fast, because it's penny stock. So it's not a great company. So it's gonna go down really fast. So in that way, you can make double, triple, quadruple easily. Now easily meaning, once you know how to do it, it becomes so easy. If you don't know it, it's gonna be so difficult. Okay, so let's say they now 40 cents. If it goes down more, let's say $3 become $2, $1. This 40 cents could become 80 cents, $1, $2. So you're making like five times, 6 times, 7 times, 10 times. It could be any times, you know. So that's the power of using day trading momentum stocks and put option. You see, with day trading momentum stock, you don't know which stock gonna break out and go up at the top. So with put option, if you learn put option, you're gonna know, hey, this is already at the top. I get out of the stock. I'm gonna enter put option. Once we enter put option, hey, it goes down like crazy. See, within 1 day, it goes down 20%. You make lots of money. Lots of money. That's how option trader makes lots of money. Why did the stock goes up? Does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. We don't care. We only look at the technical, okay, and momentum. We look at the momentum. Why do I know this is a crappy stock? Because the past 5 years you are losing money. If you invested in a company for the past 5 years, if you lose money, most likely that company is a crappy stock. They don't make money, so that's the main reason why you lose money holding crappy companies. Okay, do not hold crappy companies. Once you know that, hey, I accidentally bought crappy company at the top, what should I do? Just get out as quickly as possible. As quickly as possible. This $62 could become 50 cents. Remember, 30 cents. Right. So you don't want to wait it. The chance of this company hitting back that $60 is almost nothing. 0% chance. Okay. So why did this stock go up? This is just for entertainment and education purposes, because this is linked with Starlink integration. Elon Musk company, you know, they want to provide coverage in remote and underserved area where traditional network infrastructure has been challenging to deploy. This is a telecommunication company. Okay, so that's what is up. Do you have to know this news to trade stocks? No, mostly I don't even read news. Most of the news, no. I read news for entertainment and education purposes so that I can make videos like this. Okay, it's good to know. Even without the news, I'm able to make money. Right, I'm able to easily more than double my portfolio within 1 year. Okay, if you want to know what I trade, what I profit, you can go to my Patreon link in the YouTube description comment down below. Master Risk Stock Option, you can join. Then if you want to reach out to me, there is a link, my mentorship call, in the YouTube description comment down below as well. You can go and check out my Master Risk Stock Option Crypto playlist to learn more about stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, and day trading movement stock. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.